Hello. Yeah. One thing there is here. So what's up, guys? What do we have today? Let's wait for the 9:30 open today. Let's see. Okay, 9:30 open here. We do have this 15-minute level gap here. Okay, we do have this two stage though in 4 hour. If you see, yeah, we have this two stage. Who the fuck does this, bro? Come on. Colors apply to all. 10 p.m., 6 p.m. And yeah, and this should be the low of the day, and then we should be pushing higher from here. Or else, if I don't see anything which wants to go bearish at this point. So where can I get a chat section here? How to get that chat section on in live stream? Not this. Sorry, sorry. Not this layout. Chat. Yeah, mini feed, but where is a chat section? Oh, bro, come on. I have to on my YouTube again, side by, so that I can read your charts if anyone is watching my live stream. Let's see this. Yep. Okay, we do have this one stage PSP there. Let me put on the story, guys. We still need more people to join. Sorry. Yes, sir. Story uploaded. I'm expecting to reach these highs, or we do have a good strong liquidity down here as well, but I need more confirmation to short it. Yeah, let me start this code as well. I forgot it today. Yes, sir. Yep. Welcome to the live stream, guys. Discord people. The only thing can the only thing which can hold for bullish is this this change the state of delivery here, but I'm not sure. Like we have to wait a little bit more. We do have this inversion, which it might be rebalancing. So yeah, let's wait and see what's gonna happen. 6 a.m. open, set the low, and we pushed higher as well. But we haven't yet met the drawn liquidity there. But we had this kind of order block which might hold the price and push lower. But I don't think so that's gonna happen in NQ. I'm still saying a little bit of bullish there, but only if this changes top level holds. Only if this changes set top level holds. If this gets respected, we'll be having more confirmation in 15 minutes. For example, we have this pay value gap. If this favorable gap didn't hold the price, then eventually we can just drop down and take these relative equal lows down here. So yeah, looking for how this 15 minute is gonna close, and according to that we can predict our 10 a.m. open high low close. That's what I'm expecting. Weekly FEG, weekly FEG. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. We have this. Look at this previous week here. We just closed that bearish, and look at this bullish. But again, this is Monday. We can just little bit chop around here, and then we can get a Tuesday low set, something like Monday, Tuesday low set, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday. This can happen. Tuesday low set, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, taking this high. Or else, let me check if we got any news, guys. Even that matters, though. I think someone posted in the server good news. Welcome to whether I cannot promise you that same, but it was an eye opener. I have been consistent. $180 for mentorship. Crazy shit. Crazy shit going on in my whoever partner uh, Discord there is doing some mentorship shit. Okay. So can you guys see this news image? If I'm not wrong, you guys should see. Yeah. So look at this. Monday no news. Tuesday kind of, but I think that should not affect much. And Wednesday 2 p.m. we have FMC. Yeah, kind of not a big week for us, but I think we should get the Tuesday low set, and then we should get the Tuesday low set, and then we should get a push rest of the week. That can happen till these highs up here. But let's see. How much did I drop, bro? We have another one. Yeah. Previous week low is can be the good target for us. Even daily is looking good though. 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. I don't profile 6 hour, but I thought we should just have a look on 6 hour as well. This for our order block kind of thing is holding right now. I got this 15-minute closure here in another 1 minute. Yeah. Let me see if we can get any SMT there. Only one news this week. Yeah, yeah, I just saw it. Only one news FOMC. But it's not a. It's kind of meeting, bro. Like I think it should not affect much. And again, it's in a PM session. Anyhow, we are going to stay away during PM session. The only thing is we have to be careful while trading AM session during that day because the market might chop. There'll be there might be low volatility in the market. All this stuff can happen. So yeah, we should be careful about that. Bring clear this high in both the assets. So yeah, everything is looking cool. Like, but we should have reversed from some kind of key level. We do have this 1 hour change in state of delivery, very perfect in ES. But in NK, we are just reversing from out of nowhere. It looks like, but we do have this 4 hour order block here though. But anyhow, we have this drop, which is previous week low. Have a lot of room there. It's higher time frame. We do have a lot of room. We can get out to our no need to worry. We got this one stage here. I was expecting this one stage, but I didn't expect that we are gonna get this sudden bearish candle here. Is how to get our chart in here. Yeah, we do have. Yeah, let's go. Yes, sir. No, I can close my live stream. Make sure to hit the like, guys. Look at this daily. We are kind of uh, flipping this daily candle here. Where is the 6 p.m. open? It's, here we go. 6 p.m. The fuck, bro? Why did that happen? I'm on. And so this is your daily open. Look at that opening price. You have to be careful around opening prices. I need kind of displacement below that to consider we are gonna push lower. Bro, again, what is this? Right now, NPT. Yeah, pretty very beautiful close there. To have this change set of delivery in 15 minutes. But I want it to see 10 a.m. open high at least instead of this fair value gap or instead of this inversion setting high of 10 a.m. and then pushing lower to these lows and further. Let's see. We have to wait and see. This is our thing. Like this is our analysis in QNES. What about gold today? Same story, I guess. But gold and silver kind of looking in range to me. Guys, we have this two stage here though. Not two stage, I would say, just a one stage. But I'm not much clear on this because look at this gap here. Like, bro, for me it's nothing. I can't do anything about this kind of price action. We have this high here to target. Have this high here to target. We have this high in silver, but uh, gold. Sorry, we do have this high in gold. Silver, I don't know about what about this gap, guys. Like, just stay away. But I think we can just push further from here. But not sure. I have to wait and see in gold. But gold, I'm gonna stay bullish for today. At least till this draw. I know it's not that far away. We'll definitely take it in another 10 minutes. But that's the only draw left there, guys. For me at least. Coming to the oil. Look at this chop. Previous 2 weeks, total shit. And we can't do anything about such, such market conditions. Look at this. We have two stage. The previous week's high. I think that's yeah, might be that. To the 4 hour, we do have these lows to target though. These lows. Yeah. For oil, I'm gonna look for bearish once the 10 a.m. open. But till what extent the 10 a.m. high can be formed, that's a tricky question here now. We had this beautiful low resistance liquidity forming in here with this SMT up here, but we need more structure to form. We can't just short it here though. Let's see. So I don't know, bro. Like every minute we are gonna see some kind of tweets, news coming up here in oil. So it's kind of very like tricky to trade oil nowadays. Oil, gold, just a couple of points away from our draw. Look at this. We came inverse instead of inversion. We are rebalancing this. I don't know. If we just chop around here and we didn't get a good confirmation towards the lower side, then yes, I think I might just skip a day for today, maybe. Because it is what gonna happen because like Monday chop and then Tuesday setting low of the day, classic weekly profile, I would say. Like Tuesday setting low of the day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, good expansion candles. So like expecting that to happen, even I didn't get my entry today like as expected. We'll just chop around a little bit more here, nothing much, and that's fine. It's fine though. Look at the ES. Okay, look at here. We do have something valid to shift our bias maybe. See, see here. We have this two stage strength switch in 1 hour, and we just need some confirmation here. Look for these highs as expected. We might form this two stage for sure in another 2 minutes. Look at this. ES is looking cool. Crazy. This clean drop here, up here, and up. Yeah. Let's see if we can get that. Gold. Again, we're about to hit that draw. So Daily fair value gap. Not fair value gap, but what was it, bro? Come on, look at that. Is this a fair value gap or anything? Really? What the fuck? They don't have any fair value gap kind of thing here, but when you look at the indicator, look at this glitch. Oh, I think it's 4 hour. No, not even 4 hour. Another 22 seconds to go, guys. We are about to get that two stage here, and let's see if we can get a good push up higher. So today open 10 a.m. 12 p.m. See, let's see. We do have that two stage forming in, yeah. Now let's see. Now we are gonna wait, guys. We need more confirmation on that. Fifteen minutes with yes. Simply it's 15 minutes with yes. Yeah, we do have this two stage in 1 hour. But I need confirmation. Like I can't just long blindly there. Yeah, this 5 minute, this 5 minute fair value gap should hold to set the 10 a.m. low and then push higher. Or else if this low takes in NQ, again that would be more nice for us to consider it as a two stage, three stage maybe, and then push higher. We need to wait. I did make some couple of like $300 in my another account. The one I have in deep charts. I think I posted the trade. Let me just show you guys. Where is that? Look at this. Had this trade. I actually entered it on this Chelsea set of delivery with S&P up here with E- E- with ES. And then I trailed my stock somewhere on here and got stopped out. And again, we got this inversion and again entered there and exited all my contracts here. So that was a pretty like good trade. This deep charge account is up. So I think I might be not trading it, or else even if I trade, I will be risking very less on this, just to give another chance. See what's gonna happen. I got this two stage here again up here. I know what's happening in guys today. Okay, we inverted this, but we don't have that topic of 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, any of these candles. So I'm gonna just wait a little bit more. Even if we miss anything here, that's totally fine for me. I'm not gonna rush at least. So coming to the oil. Yeah, 4 hour. I think we should get a pretty much good push lower here, but I'll wait for more confirmation there. I don't know, like we might not get as well. Have this favorable gap which can hold the price. So if this gets inversed, I'll totally lose my interest on looking at the oil. Good evening, good evening, Pete, good evening. Prathamesh Tripathi. I'll almost like lose my interest if this oil inversion in 15 minutes, like favorable gap in 15 minutes. Coming to the gold, we haven't yet reached that high. That's a good thing. We came back to this low instead of this favorable gap here, the previous 1 hour low. Now the problem here is I don't know whether we are going to get this change state of delivery or not. But even if we get that change state of delivery, we will not have that much room to trade higher there in gold. That's a problem. And in 1 minute, I don't know, like we don't have any structure forming in here to enter and keep our stops. Took shots on NQ. So we don't have topic of this hourly 4 hour any of these candles. That's the reason I was waiting. Now look at this. We have this two stage forming. One stage, two stage. At least we need this topic, bro. I don't know, like we need that topic at least. I know that's not mandatory, but that's how like I expect it to happen. So I'm looking for that topic to form. If the high is not set correctly, then that that brings down my confidence to punch trade on that trade or like on that particular scenario. So Let's see. So NQ, we got that inversion. It's this should be on here. Look at this C2 formation. We might think of trading C3 now. But we have another 20 minutes. We can't wait another 20 minutes. That's the problem. But look at this. We have another 5 minutes. We can think of taking some trades here. We need to wait. Yeah, look at this chop. I need it to get out of this and give us some more confirmation. Let's see. We had a very clean weekly fair value cap down there, but I don't know why it's bouncing off of some random. It's not a random level, to be honest. It's our daily opening price. But yeah, I will be looking for some blocks here. This point. We get in Asia, London. We might get a continuation here in the session. Let's see. I need more confirmation, guys. I'm not going to just jump blindly here. Yeah, these failure swings here. Let's go, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button there. At least, like, till the end of this week, we should reach 300 subscribers. That's what I'm expecting to happen. But let's see if we can get there. Another 2 minutes for 15 minutes closure. So next 15 minute can do something like, set the low, sweep this low, and then give us a good change in state of delivery to look higher. Set the low, check this low, and set the low, and then give us good change in state of delivery. I'm expecting some kind of V-shape change in state of delivery to look, higher there. But I'm not sure I will short this kind of market after getting this good inversion here. So yeah, if I get this bullish candle, then that would be so good because again that forms another one stage there. But if we don't, that's totally fine. We do have a lot of confluences, like a lot of crack and correlations for bullish side. Last minute of 10 a.m., 10 a.m. 15-minute candle. So are we holding this? We should wait and see what's gonna happen. Okay, we cleared this low in ES, not in NQ. That's good news there. Connect. But how should I? What the? What the? I don't know, bro. I don't like this, bro. Like, oh no. What? Come on. Bro, I missed my entry there. What the fuck? Shit. But let's see if it gives us a pullback or something like that. Okay, we are getting pullback. War. Okay, limit order. Three. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Oh, okay. We are in, guys. We are in this trade. This trade of delivery. 15 minutes. Let's see if we are getting chopped out here or we're gonna get good push higher. We might be also wrong. We can also get chopped out there. Okay, we got that's a straight SL there. Bro, come on. Totally rigged. Total shit. Let's see. How much did we lose? It's to 223. That's fine. You got the ES? Took this by my previous low though. Well, let's see. Got the ES, bro. Like, ES is clean. Got this ES. Might try this ES setup. Okay. We are inside of this ES. Trade. Sorry, guys. Let me put it something like this. Let me. Let me just. Other thing we are just get like we are just chopping around today. I don't know. And then Q. Shall Q doing? Nothing here in MNQ. No displacement, nothing at all. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like, not gonna touch anything anymore. Yeah, it's happening in gold. Totally flipped. Oil, totally opposite what I thought. No, 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 not much interesting. SP, but I don't know. Like, Is it the best to flip my bias and go and keep on punching my trades? I don't think so. Look at this chop around here. Like that's that's not what I should be doing. Two trades for me. I'll just 30 minutes there. So gold, but let's see. Not We are just chopping around even. Thank you, anyways, bro. Nothing much. That's the thing there. We will chop around. Wait a little bit more there. We reverse from the bottom here. Nothing much clear today, guys. I don't know. Look at this chop. Look at this chop here. Again, like I know it's 1 minute, but even if you look at the 5 minute, we are just doing barcode sheet there. 3 minute barcode sheet again, and 1 minute again. Obviously, 1 minute will be doing that. Even if we take any trades here, we should be targeting very low hanging fruits. Like we can't get that good expansions out of this today. Let it chop, let it chop, let it chop. We are not going to touch. to have these lows though. But the problem is the NQ will definitely go run and take that low, and ES will fail to do that, and then we might get reversal again. Open. I we do have this inversion here. Come on, give me a second. This inversion. Now let's see. Came tapped. Sort of that 3 minute or 1 minute changes set of delivery. 3 minute actually. That was so good. So now next. Yeah, taking that on market execution. Let's see. Another push towards the 10 a.m. open. Was this a 10 a.m. open we marked? No, 6 p.m. Sorry for this. I just forgot to 6 p.m. open there. Let's see if we can get that push lower. Might think of break even here. Okay, we are pushing hard. They took this low in NQ, so I think I should be break even at this point. Okay, so what was our weekly fair value gap here? Oh, it's totally like, bro, it's very low. We can't target that for now. Let's stick to our this thing. What is the price? 410. 410. Almost there. I'll tight trail it better. I'll tight trail it. Let's go, sir. Let's go. Push, push. Push lower now. Okay. We got stopped out there. On my another account, we are on the profit, so no need to worry. We are just still holding on this now. I was so tight on my another account, so yeah, we got stopped out there. Okay, we are doing good. We are doing good. Trailing tight, trailing tight, trailing tight. Want the price to reach around 396 maybe. 396. Let's trail it. Let's trail it. Come on. PNQ. Sorry, SMP. Push, push. Trailing tight. Whatever I'll get, I'm gonna. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, yeah. This is our trade today. I know that. I know that it was difficult for you guys to take this trade because I entered on. I know, like I market executed here, but that is the only way I would have got entry on this, or else I would have waited for. I would have taken here, which is more risky, because we just opened that 15-minute candle, and I don't know like till what extent that 15-minute high will be set. So I was waiting for it to see that at least we should get a good reaction from this change the state of delivery, and then I think of checking very straight there. So we got that tap and good reaction, good bearish close actually, and then I entered on the next candle maybe. Yeah, on next candle on that candle till the 6 a.m. Like 6 p.m. open, which is our uh, daily open technically. So yeah, this was our trade. SMT indicator. Let me just show you guys. Here it is. Out of options. SMT divergence by out of options. You can take the screenshot if you want. We have 600 guys. That's not bad. That's totally the best day I would say. Like my usual target is to target around $500 a day, risking 250. And what have we got today? One is to three. And I had a little bit of loss before. How much contracts did I enter here? I think I entered some nine contracts maybe. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. I think we can see it here. Yeah, nine contracts on that. On that, I think it's probably something like $300 risk. So yeah, that was savior there. Like that trade was savior for today. Did had a good trade though. Beautiful. I mean, anything else, guys? Anything else you guys want to ask? You guys want to see another trade, or I should end the stream, or if you guys have any questions or anything? Robson, do we have Robson today in live stream? Let's go, guys. Like if you guys want to trade, you can trade now. You can trade now, basically, because we had a like good expansion out of this choppy range there. Look at this. Had a good expansion out of this choppy range. But if this candle closes again inside of the range, that might be the problem again. So be careful about that before taking any trades. Even though this trade was a bit risky because we were just again like still inside this range. Look at this consolidation candles there. But I thought like we had this 15-minute one stage and pushing lower. Again, people might call it a lucky trade, but I liked it. We had a good push lower though. We captured a good range there. So yeah, that's a good trade. And we made 600, the guys. Made 600. That's nice. Not bad. Beautiful trade. Let me just we need this 6 p.m. though. And this Beverly gap. Because that's a draw there. Where did we shop? Here. This was a short. So this low 6 p.m. low. I think we got pretty much a bit more. Yeah, that's the trade of the day. We had two losses, but somehow we managed it perfectly to be on a green side. Again, that's what matters to me at the end, guys. Even if I had multiple losses, we have to figure it out through our risk management. Like we have to somehow figure it out. to manage our accounts so that we should end up our day on green. Not a pressure, but that's how we are going to improve ourselves in trading, guys. Again, another set of forming in here, but I don't trust this because look at this pullback in 15 minutes. And yeah, that's the thing. How is 5 minute looking? Yeah, we are delivering from 5 minute favorable gap. That's a good thing there. But we do have this SMT as well. It's kind of tricky. Kind of tricky. Again, give me a second, guys. Hello. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's it for today, guys. We had a beautiful shot, and we did fail to take two longs there, but that was actually that was to happen because like look at this chop we stuck in there. Look at this chop again. Again, we are getting into some kind of a range bound projection there, but but we still we somehow manage. Look at this. What did I say? I don't trust this at all, even after this clean inversion delivering from this 5 minute fair value gap. Look at this. We formed SMT and then we are just running towards this high. So yeah, this is what happening today. As I expected, consolidation Monday, setting the low of the week Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a good expansion. So let's see what are we gonna get the rest of the week. So if you guys haven't yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends so that they can get the updates regarding the live streams. So if you guys haven't yet joined the Discord, you guys can join Discord. We do have two Discords where one is our partners and one is ours. I will post it both of them here if you guys wanna join. This is ours, the one which I'm going to pin, and I'll just post the another one. Just give me a second. And this is one of my partners. So I'll be active more on both the discords. So make sure to join both if you are okay with that, or join one whatever you guys like, left on you. So yeah, make sure to subscribe the channel. That's very important. You'll get a live updates daily on that. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.